Good afternoon to all. Welcome back to Excel Snippet and Ingenuity Services YouTube channel. And in today's channel, I want to create a small simple formula here to create a calendar year quarter and a physical year quarter. Let's see how to do that. And let me go back and create a small date field. So I'm going to create a date field for one full year. So let me add a date here and then add a calendar quarter and a physical quarter. So I'm going to add a date here which belongs for a full year. So I'm using a fill series option to fill the data here. So I'm going to give Alt EIS and then add it until 31st of December 20. So now I have one full year of data with me, or date with me rather. Now I'm going to convert this into a calendar or a dynamic table here. I'm going to give Control T here and give an enter. That's going to give you a list here. So there is a small logic that I'm going to use here. So for a calendar year, I'm going to use two formulas called month and ceiling. And again, I'm going to do the same for the physical year, but I'm going to use a logic called choose function. So how do you convert the data into a list here? So let's start with a month function in calendar period here. So I'm going to use a month formula, select that. It's going to populate the month number here. I'm going to use the same logic even in here. It's going to give me the same answer. But here I'm going to convert this into a ceiling, and then I can either use a ceiling or a ceiling math functionality. If you're using 2010 version and below, or to use ceiling, and if you're using 2013 version and above, probably you'll be seeing both of the data available for me. So you can use any one of the formula. So I'll use the old school formula for the first formula, the new school formula for the second one. Let me add a ceiling here, and then I give a comma and convert that into the multiples of 3, and I divide that by 3. That's going to give you a valuation here. So now I'm going to convert this entire range into a number point. So I'm going to add a number and then remove the decimal portion out of the equation. Then I'll add a Q in front of it, and I'll add an ampersand to convert that into a total list here. At the same point, I'm going to use a logic differently here. I'm going to use a choose function here. So using a ceiling function, I'm going to use a choose function. And I'm going to tell the system that wherever I have a number called 1, convert that into a 4. Wherever I have other numbers, I'm going to just mark them like this. So when I do that, automatically my data will change here, and then I'm going to add a Q in front of it and give an ampersand here. So now I can see that there is a physical quarter and a calendar quarter available here for me. So now I want to just make them much more clearer here. So I'm going to just keep only one date in the list here. I'm going to uncheck all the other logic. Keep the first day alone in the next month, and then check other logics. Keep the first day alone in the third quarter, and the final day alone in the fourth quarter. So now when I do that, you can see automatically wherever I have a Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 goes as per calendar period, and Q4, Q1, Q2, and Q3 goes as per the physical period. You can add a physical calendar and calendar quarter here, whichever one you want to do it. Generally, this is a lot used in a pivot table where you want to figure out how the sale is going on as per the physical quarter or as per the calendar quarter. This is Vinod signing out from Excel Snippet and iSelf Academy YouTube channel.